Hey, what's going on? It's Aaron. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Influenster, and maybe you're wondering, is this legit? Can you really test products for free? Can you even make a little bit of money from this or not, right? Is this a big waste of time? Are there better ways to generate income online out there? Spend your time. Let's check it all out, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month or more 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. Some of them are good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them though are a big waste of time. So let's check out Influenster to see whether this is a good way to spend your time, or maybe you should be doing something else, okay? Now let's just be very, very clear, right? Influenster is a 100% legit product testing website. They are not going to pay you any money for actually testing their products. But if you're interested in just getting free products, all right, so that you can test and you can do reviews on them and you can just have free products, then that's exactly what it is. So I just want to be 100% clear. You're not going to get any free rewards. You're not going to get free money. You're not going to get paid, but you can potentially get free products to test, all right? Now, the thing about Influencer is that it's available in most parts of the world, but unfortunately, there are some countries where when you click on their link, you won't even be able to open their website. Now, if that's you, you're clicking on influencer.com and you're not able to open it up, like it says that, you know, it's been blocked or something, it means that it's not available in your country, and it's not available in a lot of countries, okay? Now, if you want to sign up with it, the best thing to do is actually to go to their, download their app, because that's where you'll see the most stuff. So don't try and do it on their website, unfortunately, because they're not going to be able to show you much stuff. But I'm just going to show you roughly how this works, okay? So first of all you need to do is you need to sign up with them, okay? So go to the App Store right here, Google App Store. You can see that it's a very popular app. It's got about 1 million downloads, and you can just download this app right here. Okay, then what you need to do right after that is, what I would highly recommend is you fill out your profile. Okay, so take the time to finish as much of your profile as possible. That means complete your profile, upload a picture, add some descriptions on you, make sure you connect all of your social media platforms. So connect your TikTok account, connect your YouTube account, connect your Instagram account, make sure you share it with a friend, and basically fill out everything that you need to on your profile. The more active you are on their app, the more chances you have of getting one of their Vox boxes, okay? If you don't do that, then basically they're not going to rank you very high. There's different tiers, right? And so if you're only on tier number 1, then the chances of you getting a Vox box, which I'll show you in a second, is very, very low, all right? So you definitely want to take the time to fill out the app and then play with the actual app. It's a social media platform, so the more engaged you are, the higher your chances of moving through the tiers, and the higher the chances of them actually giving you products to test, all right? Now, once you've done that, if you're in the right country, you can potentially get something called a Vox box, all right? These are basically packages that are filled with freebies, right? And basically, it's a whole bunch of different random stuff, random products, you know, everything from cosmetics to skincare to electronics to supplements, right? Once you get the Vox box, you can basically do certain things. You have to do certain things, otherwise you're not going to get your next Vox box, right? You have to make sure that you actually take pictures of them and do reviews on them, right? Now, very, very important, okay? If you're not based in the US, Canada, Australia, France, Germany, or the UK, you are not going to be able to get a Vox box, unfortunately, right? So a lot of people think that Influencer allows you to get these products from anywhere in the world, but it's not true, all right? Unfortunately, you must be based in the US, Canada, Australia, France, Germany, or the UK. Otherwise, you are not going to be able to test any of their products. Now, you can still be on their website, their app, and you can still take reviews of different products and things like that and make the reviews, but whether you'll actually get sent real products, you won't be if you're not in the countries that I just mentioned, okay? Now stick around. If you're not from the US, Canada, Australia, France, Germany, or the UK, I'm going to give you another website where you can still get free products to test if you want, and you can also make a little bit of money from this website too, okay? And then the third step is, once they show you, choose the products, they're going to send it to you, and then you can review the products that you've actually already tried, and you can tell them how you like it, okay? And that's pretty much it, okay? That's Influencer right here. It's a very, very simple application. I think it works really well if you're based in those countries that I mentioned. If you're not in those countries, it's not that great, because you can't actually get any physical product. Now, if you're somebody that just wants to share your opinion, you can download the app. Even if you're based outside of US, Canada, Australia, France, Germany, and the UK, you can still give them reviews of products that you've actually tried yourself. So if you just want to give some feedback on your products that you've tried, even though you don't have a physical copy from Influenster, you can still do that. It's completely up to you. Just remember that Influenster isn't a platform to make money. It's a platform just to get free product if you're in the right countries, and that is all right? Now, I just want to be clear. They have had some complaints recently. They've had some bugs. They've had some issues. Some people aren't able to get their Vox boxes. Some people are finding that their friends in the same city are getting the Vox boxes, but they aren't. So there are a little bit of glitches. So if you're experiencing that, just understand that it's not 100% bug free. They do have some bugs that they're working through. But if you get lucky and you might be able to get access to it, then you can basically give it a shot. But just understand that they've had a slew of bad reviews and tech bugs. So just understand that. That's all, okay? Now, if you're not based in the countries that I mentioned, you can try this website right here. It's called Clicks Research. All right. Now, this particular product testing website will send outside of the countries I mentioned. So if you're not based in the US, Canada, Australia, France, Germany, or the UK, and you still want to test free products, then Clicks Research will allow you to get different products at different times when they're available for you to test, if that's what you really want to do. And you can also fill out some surveys right here and make a little bit of money that way. It's not a lot of money. They pay you between 25 pence and £2 per survey, and they only have surveys like once a week or once every 2 weeks. So it's not every day kind of thing, but you can make a little bit of extra money this way if you would like to check out Clicks Research. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the review of Influenster. Again, this is not for everybody. Again, it's not a way to make money, but it is a cool way to test out products when it does work if you're in the right country. Let's just be very, very clear about that, okay? Hope you enjoyed this review. Now, if you're here watching this video, maybe you're looking for a way to make money online. Now, on this channel, this is a Make Money Online channel. I review hundreds and hundreds of different products, strategies, websites, ways to make money online. So you might want to check out the channel if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, okay? Now, on this channel, I have seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, all right? Now, but out of the good strategies, I've tried one of them that really worked for me, and I used it to quit my full-time job in April 2019. I actually 5 times my old corporate salary, and I used to earn a lot of money in my old corporate job. Did really well. I was managing 15 plus people, right? But really just didn't want to be in corporate or have a job forever. I used this online strategy to quit that job, right? And I now work 100% from home. I think this is a great strategy for anyone, anywhere in the world, and anyone who is a beginner, who has never made any money online before. If you want to check it out, check the link out right at the bottom, and I show you how to do this step by step through a free masterclass if you want to check it out, okay? I hope you enjoyed this review of Influenster. All the best to you, and I will see you on the next video review. Take care.